Okay.
Mm-mm.
Anyway, so hey.
I need to know if this mess here is real. This little boy. I need to know. Because this don't make no sense. She should got help a long time ago.
Oh yeah, she came in here chasing Joshua for them cards.
I need to know what to start with.
Okay, let's go vote for the next map.
Look at all them eyes. I need to know what to start with, little boy.
No,
Look at this.
I do not mean to fix that. But it's whatever.
And the chicken chase that look that nice. Look at him look that self.
Innocent, that's okay, I guess that's okay. Totally not gonna cry. Okay, anyways, so let's gotta stay back. Get your. I hate these mini avatars. These are like I hate it when I'm murdering and spawn in a server of mini avatars. Bro, it makes me so angry. Like that means they could go on the tables and they could go where you can't go. So that makes me mad.
He didn't want to say what he was saying.
But anyway, is she okay? Okay. I thought. Oh no, that was at the hospital. The hospital. I know. I think I know who the murderer is. Like you know that recent guy, like.
Put your feet down. No, that water be. What makes you do that?
Oh, she's murderer.
Close your mouth. Get her mouth out. Oh, sweet thing.
I don't know. I feel like it's that girl. Because
That same little thing.
Oh, yeah.
You should have got on the floaty.
Too much water. That was too much water. I can't find the first one. I must not have saved it. But the first one, they was in a car. He was
I knew she was the murderer. I think she's AFK. I don't know. Okay, so the round just started. Oh, I'm Sheriff. Yes, yes, queen. Anyway, what? Wait, I just saw something. Oh, emergency lockdown or something. What is going on? Like, yeah. Oh, I just heard some juicy kills.
This ain't real. She taught him how to drive. Mike teaching it. Yeah, but artistic kid that got his neck, Uber driver, and got the Uber driver by himself. Called the Uber driver with his mama phone. And he artistic. But no. Sometimes you can, I don't know what to believe.
I am kind of scared. I'm not even gonna lie. Scared. What? It's weird because he's a coward. He could have came out here and... It's A-okay because, you know... Yo. I am the fool. I don't need to come back. I got something in my throat. I don't know what that is. My sister.
Well, yeah. Just saying it. Just saying it.
Ooh, it's gonna be juicy. She said she didn't have no one. Cause baby, what? Wait.
Yeah, that's
This isn't camping. This is like wall camping. I'm really not camping. It's just called being a pro. It's crazy because
they tight.
You better stay off of her great day.
Okay, I don't know why these people think they can like get over me. Like, hello?
You wanna be doing it.
I did hear somebody climb the ladder.
And he doesn't have consequences. Where the men,
They need to stop hiding and
they say I want
stand up like some man.
I'm not scared of no woman. That's the thing. He disrespect women. He needs a man.
Well, that's his game. Yeah, yeah. Anyways. Okay. You really thought wait. The sheriff? I don't know what. I think she left. Yo, she right here. Okay. Let me stop. Okay. Okay. What level am I on? I'm still on level. I'm on level 12. Yeah.
This will be scared, man.
I'm kind of scared because Tom Software is literally behind me. Wait, how much? Okay. I knew Tom Software was literally the murderer.
The baby's crying.
What? I know you're lying. How? How did he get me?
He did it now.
Right. That's whatever. It's whatever. I really don't care. Well, I kill everybody anyways. Especially Ton Software from Timu. Anyways, that's it for today's video. If you like today's video, just like and subscribe. Bye. Bye, cuties.